Hola, hola amigos. Welcome back to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Brigs. This is Mr. Brigs. I'm a qualified registered Spanish teacher and I upload videos every day. Well, currently every day. And by the way, I wanted to take this opportunity to apologize to some of my subscribers. I haven't been able to read all my comments and I know I haven't replied to all your comments like I usually do. I had an unforeseen event taking place the other night. I was sleeping, Mr. Briggs was snoring, when all of a sudden I heard this big explosion right outside my house. Guess what happened? Somebody smashed my car that was parked right outside my house. Anyway, amigos, I won't waste more of your time telling you about my tragedies, and we're going to start learning Spanish right away. But don't forget to subscribe. Every time you subscribe, you allow me to continue producing more videos for you. Okay, comencemos. Let's commence. Okay, let us prepare our voices. Here we go. If you want to say from now on in Spanish, you have to say a partir de ahora. A partir de ahora. A partir de ahora. A partir de ahora. From now on, I'm going to change my life. A partir de ahora, voy a cambiar, I'm going to change my life, mi vida. A partir de ahora, voy a cambiar mi vida. That's truly a motivational sentence. From now on, I'm going to lose weight. A partir de ahora, voy a perder peso. So, a partir de ahora means from now on. Voy a perder, I'm going to lose weight, peso. Siguiente, next one. From now on, I'm going to eat healthy. A partir de ahora, voy a comer saludable. Voy a comer. I'm going to eat healthy, saludable. So, don't forget, a partir de ahora means from now on. Otro ejemplo. From now on, I'm going to be a better person. A partir de ahora, I'm going to be, voy a ser, a better person, una mejor persona. A partir de ahora, voy a ser una mejor persona. Excelente. Otro ejemplo. From now on, I'm going to exercise. A partir de ahora, voy a ejercitarme. A partir de ahora, voy a ejercitarme. And here comes my favorite one. You got to memorize this one. From now on, I'm going to learn Spanish. A partir de ahora, voy a aprender español. A partir de ahora, voy a aprender español. Excelente, muy bien. Okay, time for your Spanish listening exercise. Ahora voy a hablar español. A partir de ahora, solamente voy a hablar en español para que puedas practicar tus habilidades de escuchar el lenguaje español. A partir de ahora, quiero que escuches mi pronunciación y que trates de comprender lo que yo estoy diciendo. Tú eres muy importante. Agradezco mucho el que veas mis videos. Muchas gracias. Espero verte mañana. Y no te olvides de suscribirte. Muy bien, amigos. Thank you so much once again. Don't forget to click that red button, subscribe, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Take care. Hasta mañana. Chao, chao.